Hey guys, I'm Stefanie Parks, the founder of DermWarehouse. I hope everybody is doing well and staying healthy. Today I wanted to talk about some of the products that I've been using during COVID-19. Obviously I have my usual lineup of products that I use every day no matter what, but there are some products right now that I've started using that have really made a huge difference for me. I've talked a lot about self-care and how important it is, and these are products that they just make you feel good. So these are some of the things that I've been using that I wanted to share with you. So first is the SkinMedica Total Defense and Repair SPF 34 Tinted. This is a product that I actually use all the time, but most of the time I use the non-tinted version. I've started using the tinted version because I haven't been wearing makeup as much during all of this going on. So this product is awesome. It is a sunscreen plus an anti-aging product. They actually call it a super screen, and I would agree. But I love wearing this in the morning in lieu of my makeup. It's tinted. It gives me nice even coverage. It's not, very heavy, but it makes me feel good. It protects me from the sun, which I want every single day no matter what. And I love this product. Next product, I know in an earlier video I talked about how dry my hands were, and probably everybody from washing them so much, and I talked about some great hand moisturizers that I've been using. So I've been using the Elta MD So Silky hand cream, and I love that. But in addition to that, I've also been using these amazing Karuna hydrating hand masks. You put them on, you leave them, it's a glove like this, and there's product on the inside of the glove. You put them on, it smells amazing. You leave them on for about 10 or 15 minutes, and when you take them off, your hands feel so silky, so smooth. And for me, doing a lot of work, using my hands a lot, they've been very dry. So this is just something very luxurious. It feels good, and I've been loving these during this time. So the next product that I've been using is the Neocutis Neo-Firm, and this is a neck product. I've never really used a neck product before. Mostly whatever products I'm putting on my face, I move down to my neck, and I know that's what a lot of people say that they do, but in order to really do that effectively, you need really double the amount of product. One pump for your face, let's say, one pump for your neck. And I think a lot of people just use the one pump and bring the extra down to their neck, and I just don't think that that's enough. So right now I've started using this neck cream, and it feels very luxurious. I really like the way that it smells, and it's really important to protect your neck. You can see your face obviously, but you can also see your neck, and as you start aging, you do all of these things to protect your face, but a lot of people forget about the neck and chest area, and it's a really important area as well. So I've been using this Neocutis Neo-Firm, and I love it. Next product I've been using is the ClarityRx Down and Dirty. This is a face mask. It's a charcoal exfoliating face mask. It feels really good. I don't wear a lot of masks because I don't like the amount of time that they take. I don't really like leaving something on my face for 15 or 20 minutes. It's not my thing usually. So I really like this one because you don't have to leave it on for any amount of time. It's exfoliating, it's charcoal, it has this nice cooling effect, and it feels really good. You can put it on wet skin, you massage it into your face, even just for a minute or two, it does the trick. So I really, really like this Down and Dirty, and I've been using this a couple of times a week. Next product that I've been using is one of the newest by Colorescience. It's their Colorescience Sunforgettable Total Protection Color Balm. And what this is, it's a product for the cheeks and lips. I've really only been using it on my cheeks. I'm wearing it right now, and it gives me a nice rosy color. This is the collection. It comes in 3 colors. They sell these separately. I use the berry shade, but it comes in 2 other colors as well, or you can get it as a pack of 3. I love this. Even if I'm not wearing any other makeup, I can wear my Total Defense and Repair SPF 34 Tinted and put this on top, and it gives my cheeks some nice color. So it gives me a nice glow, and it just makes me feel really good when I have this on and I have some color on my cheeks. So this is one brand new. I've started using it. I absolutely love it. And the last product that I want to talk about is the Perfection Instant Eye Lift. This is my family's product, and I swear I'm not biased, but this product, it works so well. You put it on your eyes, within 60 seconds, you can feel the entire area around your eyes tighten and lift. And I love this always. I use it every morning, but especially now, again, when I'm not wearing as much makeup, it really makes my eye area look much more awake, much tighter. And so it's just been a real savior for me, especially when you're working long hours, you're tired, you know, you're not getting as much sleep, maybe you're stressed out. So the Park Perfection Instant Eye Lift has really helped me a lot. So those are just some products that I've added to my regimen during this time. They've really helped me out. I really love them, so I wanted to share them with you. We're gonna do a 20% off sale today only, so we will have a code for that in our email. But I thank you. I hope everybody is doing well again and staying healthy. I'm thinking about all of you, and I hope you enjoy.